Hello everybody, my name is Michael from Polygon Island, and I have a big announcement today. Uh, Polygon Island merch is now a thing. I know, right? But basically, you can go to teespring.com/PolygonIsland-logo or click the link in the description, and it will take you to Teespring, and I have shirts, hoodies, and phone cases. I don't know why anybody would have a Polygon on a phone case, but if that's what you want, then you can get one. So there's not really much to say. You have shirts, a hoodie, another hoodie, a Samsung phone case. This works for like any modern Samsung phone from like the S7 and up, I'm pretty sure. We have another t-shirt. Yet another t-shirt. I'm pretty sure this is this is a woman's tee, and that was a woman's tee. Then we have an iPhone phone case, and this works from the iPhone 6 up. They're all the same price. Well, the phone cases are. Basically, I try to set the prices as low as I can so that I would still get money from them. Because I don't get all the money from this. And I'm making this sound like I'm just trying to get money from this now, but that's not the case. I get about $6 from every purchase made on this, depending on what you get. So if you guys want to like buy something and help me out, then that'd be greatly appreciated. You don't have to. I'm just making this announcement, so if anybody wants to, then they can. But more information will be in the description. And thanks guys so much for watching. This has been Michael from Polygon Island, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.